Imagine the ground beneath you slowly tearing apart, and a new ocean emerging right where you stand. This is not a scene from a movie, but a real event happening in East Africa, where the continent is gradually splitting. The East African Rift System, a geological wonder, spans thousands of miles. It reveals the immense forces that shape our planet. The East African Rift offers a glimpse into Earth's geological past. Here, the Earth's crust is being pulled apart. This phenomenon, known as rifting, is driven by the movement of tectonic plates. These massive slabs of Earth's lithosphere are in constant motion. In East Africa, the Somali plate is drifting away from the Nubian plate. As these plates separate, the land between them subsides. This creates a vast depression known as a rift valley. This valley is a defining feature of the East African landscape. Over millions of years, this rift valley will continue to widen and deepen. Eventually, it will transform into a new ocean basin. This ongoing geological drama is marked by earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and the relentless stretching of the Earth's crust. Far beneath the surface, hidden from sight, exists a world of intense heat and pressure. This is the mantle, a layer of molten rock that constantly churns and flows. It moves in vast, slow currents, driven by the heat from the Earth's core. These mantle currents are the driving force behind plate tectonics. As the molten rock rises and sinks, it drags the tectonic plates along. At divergent boundaries like the East African Rift, the upward movement of molten rock exerts a significant force. This force pulls the plates apart, forming new crust as molten rock wells up from below. The Earth's crust is brittle. As the plates are pulled apart, they crack and fracture. These fractures allow magma to rise to the surface, resulting in volcanic eruptions. The movement of the plates, combined with the upward pressure of magma, triggers earthquakes. The East African Rift showcases the dynamic nature of our planet. It is a place where the forces that have shaped our planet for billions of years continue to actively shape it today. The East African Rift Valley stands as a prominent landmark of the African continent. Extending over 3,700 miles, it reaches from the Red Sea in the north to Mozambique in the south. This immense scar across the continent is a testament to the powerful forces tearing Africa apart. The Rift Valley is not a single, unbroken feature. Instead, it is a complex network of interconnected valleys, volcanoes, and lakes. The Eastern Rift Valley is the most striking section of the rift. This branch traverses Ethiopia, Kenya, and Tanzania. It is marked by its steep walls, deep lakes, and active volcanoes. Conversely, the Western Rift Valley is less dramatic. It runs through Uganda, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and Tanzania. These lakes, including Lake Victoria, Lake Tanganyika, and Lake Malawi, rank among the largest and deepest in the world. The diverse landscapes of the Rift Valley nurture a wide variety of plant and animal life. In 2005, the Afar region of Ethiopia, located at the northern tip of the East African Rift, experienced a surge in seismic activity. Within a span of a few weeks, the area was rocked by a series of powerful earthquakes. This significant event allowed scientists to witness the rifting process of the Earth's crust firsthand. The tremors, some exceeding magnitude 5 on the Richter scale, were accompanied by a massive rift, several meters wide and stretching for kilometers, that opened up in the Earth's surface. This striking display of geological forces visually confirmed the ongoing separation of the African and Somali plates. The events of 2005 served as a vivid reminder of the constant state of flux of the Earth's crust. By utilizing GPS technology and satellite imagery, scientists could precisely monitor the Earth's surface movements. The data gathered during this intense seismic period has greatly enhanced our understanding of continental rifting processes. Section 5, Fire below volcanoes and thermal activity. The East African Rift is a hotspot for volcanic phenomena. Here, the Earth's crust is thinning, allowing magma to ascend closer to the surface. This magma frequently erupts through volcanoes, forming new landforms and altering the landscape. Among the most renowned volcanoes in the East African Rift is Mount Kilimanjaro, the highest peak in Africa. Kilimanjaro is a dormant volcano, meaning it is not currently erupting but has the potential to do so in the future. Other active volcanoes in the area include Mount Kenya, Mount Nyiragongo, and Erta Ale. Erta Ale, situated in Ethiopia's Afar depression, boasts one of the few permanent lava lakes on Earth. While volcanic eruptions can be destructive, they also enrich the soil, making it fertile. The Earth's internal heat also drives geothermal activity in the region, which is being utilized to produce electricity. Section 6. Life on the Edge. People of the Rift Valley. The East African Rift Valley, despite its geological challenges, is a mosaic of diverse human cultures. For thousands of years, people have adapted to the extremes of this unique landscape. They have shaped their lives around the Earth's rhythms, its tremors and volcanic activity. The Afar people, residing in the scorching Afar Depression, are known for their incredible resilience. They have adapted to some of the harshest conditions on the planet, where temperatures often exceed 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Their lives are deeply connected to the salt caravans that journey across the Danakil Desert, showcasing human endurance and adaptability. The Maasai, semi-nomadic pastoralists of Kenya and Tanzania, have also learned to live with the rift's volatile nature. Their cattle graze on grasslands near volcanic slopes, and their lives are closely tied to the cycles of drought and rainfall. The inhabitants of the East African Rift Valley exhibit a deep connection to their environment. Chapter 7. The Afar Depression, a window to the future nestled in the Horn of Africa. The Afar Depression is a geological wonder and a preview of the East African Rift's destiny. Here the Earth's crust is at its most fragile, showcasing the raw power of tectonic forces. The terrain is surreal, marked by blistering heat, active volcanoes, and expansive salt flats. Within the Afar region lies the Danakil Depression, one of the hottest and driest places on the planet. This alien landscape is punctuated by sulfuric hot springs, bubbling mud pots, and shimmering salt pans under the relentless sun. It's a realm of extremes, where survival seems improbable. Yet life persists even in these harsh conditions. Extremophile microorganisms flourish in the hot, acidic waters of the Danakil Depression, hinting at the potential for life in other extreme environments. As the continental plates continue to separate, the Rift Valley will expand and deepen. The Afar Depression provides a glimpse into what the future may hold. Chapter 8. The Birth of a New Ocean. The creation of an ocean is a gradual process spanning millions of years. The East African Rift is currently in its nascent stages. With enough time, this Rift Valley will transform into a new ocean basin. As the African and Somali plates continue to diverge, the Rift Valley will expand and deepen. Eventually, seawater will inundate the valley, forming a narrow sea. This nascent sea will progressively widen as the tectonic plates continue to separate. Over millions of years, it will develop into a mature ocean basin, comparable in size and depth to the Atlantic Ocean. The emergence of this new ocean will significantly alter Africa's geography. The eastern part of the continent, currently on the Somali plate, will eventually break away to form a new landmass. The formation of a new ocean will also have a profound impact on the global climate. The East African Rift serves as a reminder that our planet is dynamic and ever-evolving.